Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about my last trip, which was Zanzibar, and I'm going to talk to you about do's and don'ts, what you should do, what you should not do, what I liked, what I did not like about that trip. I stayed 4 days in Stone Town. It was a little bit too much. I could stay 2 days and do everything over there, and that was enough for Stone Town. Because Stone Town is really beautiful. It's a really small town. You have to see that small town because it's really nice. You have streets everywhere, tight corners, really nice things to see, and also you have the night market, the Forhodani market, which was also really good. The food was amazing. The only thing is it's pricey because it's made for tourists, Forhodani markets. And also we did the Prisoner Island. I also did a video about it. It's where the turtles are, and that was also really cool. We paid more or less 20 euros to go there and come back with the boat. It's 15 minutes by boat. Oh yeah, we also did the cooking class. The cooking class was also really cool. It was at the House of Spices in Zanzibar, Stone Town. The food was so good. It was the best food that we ate there. Our own food, the food that we cooked, that was the best thing we did over there in Stone Town. And then after those days we went to the other side of the island, which was Michamvi. It's next to Paje, and in Michamvi I also did a video about it. My Airbnb was called Afia Village. It was a tiny house right next to the beach. It was really nice. I really had a good time there. The only thing that I didn't like that much, but yeah, you can't do nothing about it, it's the low tides, because in the morning you had the water next to your house, but then at 12 o'clock more or less you get the low tide and you have to walk more or less 20 to 30 minutes until you reach the water. But other than that, it was really nice. We also, from Ichamvi, we drove with a motorbike to Paje and we did a scuba diving there. If you like those things, if you like to go scuba diving or snorkeling, it's a really beautiful spot, really nice. You see a lot of corals, a lot of things, a lot of different fishes. It was really beautiful. Things that you should avoid. First of all, massages. It's not good, really. It was not good. They are really not good. If you're used to Asian massages, if you go to Thailand often and you do massages over there, forget Zanzibar massages. They are not good. Nah. Another thing you should avoid is to go on rain seasons. We went on November and it's rain season over there, so we had more or less 3 days of rain, and when it rains over there, it really rains a lot. So avoid that, and also avoid driving with a motorbike in Zanzibar. We had an accident. Actually, it was my first accident, and we hurt ourselves pretty much. We were on our way back to the airport to go home, and we had an accident there because Zanzibar roads are full of big holes everywhere, and the drivers over there, they do not pay attention. They just go. They don't care about you. They just pass you from one side or the other side. They don't look at you. They don't care. So you really have to pay attention if you rent a motorbike. Other than that, Stone Town is really nice. We didn't have the time to visit everything because I'm sure that Zanzibar is amazing. We didn't went up north, neither south, but you should do it. You should go to north and do some boat tours over there and go to the small islands. It is really beautiful. So that's it for this video. I will do more of these kind of videos in the future where I talk to you about my last trips and my next trips and how expensive it was and what you should do and should not do. So stay tuned. If you want to write something to me, just write on Instagram. I'll post it down here, and see you on the next video.